Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, yes, it is shareable. Go ahead, share it with your friends. Make sure you hit the like button below if I give you some information that you needed, okay? Now, what we're going to do on today is unbox our May BoxyCharm Premium, okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, it's amazing. There'll be plenty of information below about everything else. We're just going to talk about the premium on today. This box is $35 per month, and it comes with 6, sometimes 7 full-size beauty products or deluxe size beauty products, okay? Now we're going to jump right in and see what this box is all about. This is what the inside of our box looks like. And it does have the Boxycharm Premium information on there, plus any information you would need to contact or get more information about Boxycharm. Now, our products for this month are listed on our description card, which actually shows our theme for the month, which is Mother Nature, okay? Now, in addition to that, it gives us all the information about the products that are enclosed, and it even lets me know the variation of the box that we have, which is 44. All right, now the first item that we have, wow, it's by Kevin Aquan, and this is the Expert Mascara. And according to our description card, it says the Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest, and while being soft to the touch even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price of this product is $29. Now, you know, I usually do not open my mascaras, but this one I'm going to be using. And I really want to check out this wand because this has some really serious claims here, okay? So we want to see what kind of a wand would actually bring about these kind of claims. Well, here is the wand. Okay, now this wand, it actually looks more like a brush than a wand, and I like the curvature that's going on here, okay? So, I must admit, I'm excited to try this one out. All right, so that is item number 1. Then, the next item we have is by Too Faced Cosmetics. And that is the Chocolate Gold Soleil. Now, our description card says Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. This is not the matte one, okay? However, it does say this best-selling Chocolate Soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. And the manufacturer suggested retail price, it's $30. Now, y'all know Too Faced always comes with the serious packaging. They did not disappoint, okay? So this is what that packaging looks like. I apologize, for the ring light situation here. However, that is what I'm sorry, I opened it and the smell just kind of like hit me. It's not overpowering, it's just a beautiful chocolate smell. Okay, and it does come with a mirror inside, and this is what the palette looks like. Now, I think for me this might be a little light, but this one is actually called Luminous. Okay, it says it on the box. Now on the packaging, it actually says gilded bronzer made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold. All right, and it does have a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and this is the 8-gram size. I'm telling you, it smells so good. Okay, nonetheless, that's item number 2. Item number 3 is by Milk Makeup. All right, and this is a little box. All right, this is the product, and this is actually the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. And it says a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear on cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag, your pocket, and your tiny apartment. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $15. Now the shade that we have is called Astro. Oh, it's got a little, okay, I think I kind of messed it up a little bit. This is called Astro. Let's just swatch it a little. Oh yeah. Okay. And this is what the shade looks like. That's really nice. That's really nice. And you know what? When you put that on, you may not even have to wear a highlighter if you're wearing it on your cheeks, But we'll try it out probably when we receive our regular base box, because I do believe there is a palette in there this month. So, but we'll wait and see. Okay, so that is the Milk Makeup Glow on the Go, yes. And once again, our shade is Astro. Now, the next item that we have is Baddington Beauty. Okay, this kind of threw me for a loop here because this is the box. And Baddington, all I've ever seen from Baddington has been lashes. But this is either a whole lot of lashes or some serious lashes. Okay, let's just check it out. It says Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Okay. Wow. It says this high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. Manufacturer suggested retail price, y'all. You ready for this? $90. These have got to be some fantastic brushes. Well, they're beautiful, that's for sure. They are nice and fluffy, that's for sure. And they're dense, that's for sure. Okay, nice, very nice. Well, I have a thought in mind, but I just want to read what's on the box before we go any further. This says, the powder brush to be used with loose and pressed powders, perfect for application of bronzer, blush, and finishing powder. The contour foundation, did I hold up the wrong brush? Here we go, it's this one right here. This one is the contour foundation brush. Evenly distributes product and foundation into the skin. Great for contouring and blending. Okay, and it gives us care instructions. Now this I've not seen before. It says lay flat to air dry. Okay, that's good to know. I do like the fact that they are giving us instructions to make these $90 brushes last. Okay, now I must admit the brushes are very even. You know, sometimes when we get our brushes, you have some bristles that are sticking out longer than others. That is not the case here at all. Now, I know we said we were going to try on later, but I think I'm going to test out two products right now. How about that? I'm going to use this brush to try on this powder. How about that? So let's just do what we do. Oh, this smells so good. So good. Okay. Okay. Now, that was totally unintentional. A little bit of the residue from the powder kind of went in my mouth. Guess what? It tastes like chocolate. I'm not telling you to eat it. I'm just telling you that's what happened. So, not bad. How's that look? Not bad at all. I was a little concerned about the shade, but this isn't bad. I would like for it to be a little darker, but it's not bad. Okay, so I do like these two products. That is for certain. So moving right along, the next one we have is by Tarte. And that is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Say it 5 times fast. Here's the outer packaging. Okay. Now, here is the inner packaging. Look at that. Not bad at all. Oh, and it smells really nice. Oh, that smells really nice. Okay. Okay. Now, our description card says the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. I'm telling you 5 times fast, y'all. You'll have the real MVP. You'll have most valuable pout, okay? With this hydrating butter lip balm, your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $12, and this used within 12 months. Okay, this is really very pretty, and it smells just as nice. Now, our final product in our May box is by Pure Heals. Okay, and this is a soothing serum containing 90% of centella acetate. Astica, I guess. Okay, y'all know I'm gonna have to look it up because I'm about that extra life. So, you know, I'm gonna definitely check out the correct pronunciation of this word. Okay, it says it relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. This serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. And this is the Centella 90 ampule serum. Okay, this is what the product actually looks like. So this one is definitely all natural, and if you remember, or if you did not know, most of them come in packages that the light does not seep through. Okay, and that is the case with this one. Now, I have to say, before I even opened it, I could smell it, and it does smell very medicinal. So I'm just going to put a little bit on here, and let's see, just put it right here. So we're going to go ahead and rub that in. Very medicinal, but it feels great on my skin, and it absorbed very quickly. It's not sticky at all, and the scent, the smell actually faded very, very quickly. So that's good to know. All right, not sticky at all. I like that. I like that. Now, I'm going to tell you, I know it's been a little while since I recorded. I used a product that was in a previous box. I'm not saying it was a BoxyCharm box or one of the others. It could have been. I'm not pointing out the product right now. However, I had an allergic reaction to that. So I always want to encourage you to double check the ingredients with any skin allergies that you may have, okay? Now, I'm bringing that up because this says that it helps with skin irritations, okay? So had I had this, maybe I would have gotten over that situation a little quicker. Nonetheless, well, these are the items in our May BoxyCharm Premium, okay? And I will give you a full manufacturer's suggested retail box total here as well. Before we go, I do want to mention to you, I have an open giveaway on my channel. Now, it is for the month of May as well as April, so there will be two. Now, if you would like to see what is offered in that giveaway, I will leave that video link up here or here so that you can check it out. What I want to tell you is, in order to qualify to enter this giveaway, you must be subscribed here and on Instagram. And the question that you must answer is, what is my new favorite concealer brush? That's it. All you have to do is those three things to be entered into the giveaway. Okay? That's all I'm asking. And then we will draw the names from that. So if you care to enter, or before you say, yes, I want to enter, you definitely want to know what's included. And this is the giveaway that allows you, the viewer, the subby, to decide which products you want. Check that video out. Now, I do want to say thank you for spending time with me on today. I so greatly appreciate it. I really do. And as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.